When new YouTubers start creating content, one of the biggest questions is which video editor to use. Two popular options stand out: DaVinci Resolve and Adobe Premiere Rush. Both are designed for creators who want professional results without spending a fortune, but they take very different approaches to editing. Let's break down how they compare and which one might be the better fit for YouTubers looking for a free or affordable path to polished videos. DaVinci Resolve is often seen as the powerhouse of free video editing. It is used by professionals in film and television, but the free version gives YouTubers access to an impressive range of tools. You get advanced color correction, motion graphics, visual effects, and full audio mixing, all in one platform. The interface is organized into pages that handle each stage of production, from editing to color to sound. The learning curve is a little steep at first, but once you get used to it, Resolve feels incredibly powerful. It supports multiple formats, has smooth playback, and delivers high-end results without the price tag. For creators who want room to grow into more complex editing and cinematic visuals, DaVinci Resolve offers professional depth at zero cost. Adobe Premiere Rush takes a very different approach. It is built for speed, simplicity, and cross-device flexibility. Rush lets you record, edit, and publish videos quickly, whether you are on a laptop, tablet, or phone. The layout is clean and minimal, making it ideal for creators who want to focus on storytelling instead of technical editing. You can trim clips, add music, apply transitions, and adjust colors with just a few clicks. It also syncs automatically with Adobe's cloud, so you can start a project on your phone and finish it on your desktop. While Rush does not include the advanced effects or grading tools found in Resolve, it shines for quick turnarounds and consistent social content. When comparing the two, DaVinci Resolve wins on power and creative control. It is the best choice for YouTubers who want full professional features and plan to scale their production quality over time. You can do everything from cinematic edits to detailed sound design and advanced color work without paying for extra tools. Adobe Premiere Rush, however, wins on speed and accessibility. It is made for creators who want to produce and upload content fast. It also integrates smoothly with other Adobe apps, making it easy to upgrade to Premiere Pro later if you decide to expand your workflow. In the end, DaVinci Resolve is the best free editing suite for creators who want professional power without paying a cent. Adobe Premiere Rush is the best low-cost option for creators who need speed and flexibility on any device. Both open the door to high-quality YouTube production, proving that you no longer need an expensive setup to create videos that look sharp, sound great, and connect with your audience.